are with Miranda Tomlinson. Again, this is her third time winning here. I've talked to her twice before here in Toronto Island, so clearly you loved racing here. Tell us about your race.
Well, I'm mainly a swimmer, so to have the swim canceled at the last minute didn't make me very happy, but it made for an interesting race for sure, because the first 5K I was out with two really strong runners, Leah and Nina, and we really pushed each other, and I think averaged like well under sub 4 on the 5K. So then it was getting to the bike, and I had my usual unspeedy transition. So chased Leah down on the bike, and I couldn't believe it. Make-up time on the bike is huge for me, so I've been mixing up my bike training a little bit, doing really hard all-out intervals on the CompuTrainer at WhatsApp, and that seems to have boosted my fitness to that next level that I've really needed. And then it was all about hanging on in the last 2.5K. I could see Leah coming after me, and I just tried to keep my pace and finish strong.
I know before we start recording, you talk about some injuries coming up, and I know you're eyeing Barrowman and possibly some other races. So, obviously you want to do well at Barrowman. So, what do you project you're going to be doing there, performance-wise, anyway?
I'm confident the swim won't be canceled because it's in the canal, so I'll look forward to that. The bike, it'll be all about getting comfy in a good aero position for 90K. It's such a flat and can be a windy course, so I really have to focus on staying low, and I'm lucky because I'm small, so that's beneficial when there's a strong wind. So, and then just being able to hold my sustained power for a long amount of time. And then the run, I haven't been doing a lot of running lately, but it seems to be coming back, so if I can keep all my injuries at bay, then I'll look forward to a strong run at that race.